Now this is the view, the new look of the apartment after I put the carpet that was given to me by Tommy, the brother of my former boss of SITV. And that is the carpet. That is a new exerciser for the abdomen that was bought by Gavin. So, yan ang carpet. Okay, and that is me. Kita nyo ako? Ayan. Ayan. Ha ha ha. Yes. Yes, that's me. Teka, ayan. Okay. As usual, ganun lang. Malilinis ko lang ng bahay. Okay. It's a collection of my wife. That's it. See the carpet. Right. There you go. Yan sila. Ganyan ang house ngayon dito. Okay. Umikot na tayo. Ngaputulan na natin yan. That's the way up to the stairs. Alright. Then, tapos na. That's all folks.